If you are searching for affordable roofing contractors in Buffalo, New York, you have many options. You can find a company with affordable prices and a wide range of services, or you can choose to hire someone locally. In this article, we will cover 4 of the best options in Buffalo, New York. Read on to learn more. And be sure to contact one of them for a free consultation. After all, you never know when you may need a new roof. Allstate Roofing offers an affordable roofing contractor in Buffalo, New York that specializes in metal and asphalt shingles. The company is a preferred provider of Owens Corning shingles and is certified to install them. In addition to roofing services, they also handle other home construction needs, including window and door replacements, siding, gutters, and trim. As a family-owned business, they have been in business for over 30 years. Allstate Roofing and More LLC is a top-rated Buffalo roofing company that provides a wide range of services for both residential and commercial properties. From roof removal to repairs and maintenance, they handle all types of roofing needs. They also install solar panels, provide rooftop snow removal, and offer 3D renderings. This Buffalo roofing company also offers a variety of other services, so no matter what kind of home or business property you own, Allstate Roofing More can provide it. Grave Brothers. You can trust the workmanship of an affordable roofing contractor in Buffalo, New York when you choose Grave Brothers Home Improvement. Locally owned and operated since 1977, they have the skill and experience to complete any job in a timely manner. From residential to commercial roofing, we'll do it all. And we'll even work on your home's gutters. Contact us today to find out more about our affordable roofing services. Aside from roofing, Grave Brothers offer a wide range of other home improvement services, such as gutter installation and siding. They are certified GAF Master Elite installers and Owens Corning preferred contractors. Their professional team uses asphalt shingles, metal, cedar shakes, TPO, and flat roof materials. They have years of experience and specialize in custom projects. They provide free estimates and are ready to get started on your project immediately. Home Handyman Service. If you're in need of a new roof for your Buffalo home, it's time to consider the affordable roofing contractors in Buffalo, New York. Home Handyman Service is a locally owned and operated business that has been in business for more than 40 years. Among its many services, it handles new roof installation and re-roofing. They also offer siding, gutter installation, and chimney repair. You can trust the services of this company, which has an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and Angie's List. Whether you're looking for a flat roof or an asphalt-based one, Buffalo Roofing offers both types of services to meet your needs. They have trained technicians that specialize in metal roofing and asphalt architectural shingles. Additionally, their crews specialize in installation and repair of siding, windows, and trim, and will help you navigate the insurance claims process. You can rely on these experienced, affordable roofing contractors in Buffalo to get the job done right. American Exteriors of WNY. If you're looking for affordable roofing contractors in Buffalo, New York, you have many options to choose from. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.